Oh, I hear that's New York Sports Club. Hey Rarity, one time you could go to the fitness center.
Yeah, same. I love fitness center.
Yeah, alright. Let's go to the parking garage and then we'll go home. Alright Rarity, instead of with your horn, try it with your legs. Alright, here's the elevator. Here we are 9. We'll send this to 0. 0 is now locked. Yep. Alright, take a look at a quick view. I'm sorry it's nighttime. And here's the Ritz-Carlton right here. This looks nice. Sadly, the elevator at Ritz-Carlton is not working. That goes up to the 42nd floor. Here's the Trump Tower, or Tower of City Place. They changed the name last year, but it looks nice. Let's turn on the flash. Alright, what do you think about this parking garage, Rarity?
Look nice.
Oh look, fireworks. Wow. Fireworks. Look at that, you can see fireworks. Wait, what happened? Everybody, we got busted in Plaza, but at least we did see the fireworks. And Rarity, since we had a surprise, we saw the fireworks.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, we won't see the abandoned elevator since we got busted. Alright, let's get out of here so the police will not respond. But the security guard said, only the daytime is allowed. If you visit to this parking garage, like elevator, toilet, transit, film this every year, do not go at nighttime, only in daytime. I got busted at the second location. At least we did see the fireworks, Rarity.
Yeah, but I wonder why.
Probably at somebody's houses, or I think sorry, my dad's